How to use. Apply to freshly washed hair, leave for 1 to 2 minutes then rinse. Hydrating, protective and strengthening, maintains hair in growth phase. Thickening, helps prevent hair loss and damage from DHT. Benefits. Hydrating, protective and strengthening, maintains hair in growth phase. Thickening, helps prevent hair loss and damage from DHT. A thickening conditioner. Lovely Hemsleya root rich in oleanolic acid, nourishes and restores for thicker, stronger hair. Top reviews from the United States. My hair felt soft yet gave it body. Hair conditioner, excellent. I use a very small amount each day. Makes my thin hair feels fantastic. Highly recommend. Smells amazing. This product smells amazing. It really delivers. It has a thick consistency, so a little goes a long way.